Did you know that skipping breakfast could be slowing down your weight loss progress? Here's how to start your day right with easy, delicious options that support your goals. When it comes to losing weight, breakfast is more than just the first meal of the day. It's an opportunity to fuel your body, control cravings, and set yourself up for success. But finding a breakfast that's both satisfying and weight loss friendly can be a challenge. Many of us end up reaching for sugar-loaded cereals, pastries, or even skipping breakfast altogether, leading to energy crashes and overeating later in the day. The good news: with a few simple ingredients and a bit of planning, you can create breakfast options that are easy, nutritious, and delicious while supporting your weight loss goals. Why a healthy breakfast matters for weight loss. Starting your day with a balanced breakfast has been shown to help regulate hunger hormones, improve energy levels, and boost metabolism. Skipping breakfast or eating foods high in sugar and refined carbs can lead to spikes in blood sugar, causing cravings and crashes that make sticking to your diet more challenging. Instead, focus on breakfasts that are rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you feeling satisfied for longer. Healthy breakfast ideas for weight loss: avocado and egg toast. Why it works: avocado provides healthy fats and fiber, while eggs add protein to keep you full. Recipe: toast a slice of whole grain bread, mash half an avocado, and top with a poached or scrambled egg. Add a pinch of salt, pepper, and some red pepper flakes for a tasty kick. Overnight oats with berries and chia seeds. Why it works: oats are packed with fiber, chia seeds add healthy fats and protein, and berries provide antioxidants. Recipe: in a mason jar, combine 1/2 cup of oats, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup of almond milk, and a handful of berries. Let it sit overnight in the fridge, and it's ready to eat in the morning. Greek yogurt parfait. Why it works: Greek yogurt is high in protein, and layering it with fruits and nuts makes it satisfying and nutrient-dense. Recipe: layer 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt with a handful of berries, a sprinkle of granola, and a few chopped nuts. Add a drizzle of honey for a natural sweetness. Smoothie with spinach, banana, and protein powder. Why it works: a protein-packed smoothie is quick and easy, plus it provides greens and fiber. Recipe: blend 1 cup of almond milk, a handful of spinach, 1/2 banana, and a scoop of protein powder. Add ice for a thicker consistency and enjoy a refreshing, nutrient-dense start to your day. Vegetable omelette with whole grain toast. Why it works: eggs provide high-quality protein, while veggies add fiber and vitamins to support weight loss. Recipe: whisk 2 eggs and pour them into a heated pan. Add diced bell peppers, onions, spinach, and tomatoes. Cook until the omelette is set and serve with a slice of whole grain toast.